What do you do for a living?
Nice to meet you, Alex. What do you do for a living?
Could you repeat that, please?
It is a bit noisy in here, could you repeat that, please?
To make a long story short.
To make a long story short, our train was delayed and we missed the show.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you for inviting me to the party, I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds like a plan.
So we'll meet at 7 outside the cinema? That sounds like a plan.
Could you lower the price a bit?
I really like this handmade souvenir, could you lower the price a bit?
How do I get to?
Excuse me, how do I get to the central train station from here?
Is Wi-Fi available here?
I need to check my emails, is Wi-Fi available here?
I'm on my way.
I just stepped out of the house, so I'm on my way now.
Take your time.
There is no rush at all, so take your time finishing the report.
I'd like to check in, please.
Hello, I have a reservation under Smith and I'd like to check in, please.
Could you point me in the right direction?
Excuse me, I'm looking for the museum, could you point me in the right direction?
Is there a delay on this flight?
The departures board changed, so is there a delay on this flight?
Let's touch base next week.
Great meeting today, let's touch base next week to review our progress.
Could you hold on for a second?
I have another call coming through, could you hold on for a second?
I'm running a little late.
Sorry to keep you waiting, I'm running a little late because of heavy traffic.
Would you mind taking a picture of us?
The view is amazing here, would you mind taking a picture of us?
Could you call a taxi for me?
I need to get to the train station soon, could you call a taxi for me?
Is this seat taken?
Excuse me, the cafe is quite crowded today, is this seat taken?
How have you been?
Long time no see. How have you been since I last saw you?